The HP No Hard Drive Found error, also seen as hard drive not detected or not installed, no HDD, means your HP laptop or desktop's BIOS UEFI firmware can't recognize the internal hard drive, HDD or SSD, during startup. This prevents the operating system from loading. This video will help you troubleshoot and fix this issue, so let's get started. Several factors can cause this error. Hardware faults include loose SATA or PCIe connections or damaged cables. Also, drive failures, especially in older HDDs. BIOS or UEFI issues involve incorrect boot order, disabled SATA controllers, or outdated firmware. Power and compatibility issues include insufficient power, incompatible drives like older motherboards with newer NVMe SSDs, or driver mismatches. Identifying the cause is the first step to fixing it. Before diving into more complex solutions, try these quick fixes. First, perform a hard reset by unplugging the laptop, removing the battery if possible, and holding the power button for 15 to 30 seconds. Second, check the BIOS setup. Restart the laptop and access BIOS, usually by pressing F10 or F2. Ensure the hard drive is listed and the boot order is correct. Third, run the pre-installed HP Hardware Diagnostics tool to test the hard drive. If initial troubleshooting doesn't resolve the issue, inspect the physical connections. First, power off the laptop and disconnect all cables. Open the laptop carefully to expose the internal components. Refer to your model's manual for proper disassembly. Locate the hard drive and carefully remove it. Then reseat it firmly in its slot to ensure proper connection. Check that the SATA or PCIe cables connecting the hard drive to the motherboard are firmly plugged in at both ends. If possible, test the hard drive in an external enclosure or another computer to rule out drive failure. Remember to ground yourself using a wrist strap or by touching a grounded metal surface to prevent static electricity damage. Outdated BIOS or UEFI firmware is a common cause of the No Hard Drive Found error in HP laptops, particularly when using newer SSDs that require updated detection algorithms. During boot up, the BIOS or UEFI firmware is responsible for detecting and initializing hardware components, including the hard drive. If the firmware is outdated, it may not recognize modern drives properly. The UEFI boot process involves several stages where firmware detects and initializes devices. Outdated firmware can fail at these critical points, causing the hard drive to remain undetected. To update your BIOS firmware, start by visiting the official HP support website. Search for your laptop model and locate the BIOS section to download the latest firmware version. Follow all instructions precisely, as an interrupted or incorrect BIOS update can permanently damage your laptop. Make sure your device is plugged in and has a stable power source throughout the process. Sometimes, Windows updates or driver issues can lead to drive detection problems. These conflicts often occur due to driver mismatches or OS changes affecting storage controllers. First, boot into safe mode to isolate the issue from third-party drivers. Restart your computer and access startup settings by pressing Shift while clicking Restart. From there, choose Safe Mode to load only essential drivers. In Safe Mode, open Device Manager and expand storage controllers. Right-click on the storage controller, like Intel SATA PCIe RST, and select Uninstall Device. Then restart normally to let Windows reinstall the driver automatically. Check Device Manager for any error messages related to storage devices. Yellow exclamation marks indicate driver issues. Note the error codes for further troubleshooting. If the problem began after a recent Windows update, go to Settings, Update and Security, Recovery, and choose to go back to the previous version. This can resolve compatibility conflicts. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the HP No Hard Drive Found error, advanced diagnostic tools provide deeper insights into drive health. Crystal Disk Info is a free tool that checks smart data, showing drive health status, temperature, and various attributes like read error rate and throughput performance. Smart attributes reveal potential issues. High error counts, reallocated sectors, or a caution status indicate the drive is failing and needs replacement. For more comprehensive testing, use manufacturer-specific bootable diagnostic tools like Seagate C-Tools for Seagate drives or Western Digital Data Lifeguard Diagnostics for WD drives. Before running any diagnostics, always back up your important data to prevent loss if the drive fails during testing. Preventing the HP no hard drive found error starts with regular backups. Use cloud services like OneDrive or external SSDs to save your important files regularly. Monitor your drive's health by checking smart data and using diagnostic tools to spot issues early before they lead to errors. Looking ahead, HP is moving towards NVMe PCIe SSDs in their systems, which are more reliable and less likely to cause hard drive detection errors. AI-driven diagnostics are on the horizon, with HP developing machine learning tools to quickly identify and resolve hard drive issues. If troubleshooting doesn't resolve the issue, contact HP support for professional assistance. Remember that data recovery from a failed drive can be expensive, so regular backups are essential to protect your files.